Hi, I'm Emma. I'm the mom of a 3-year-old, and I'm also a teacher. Like everyone, our family has been feeling the effects of these crazy times. With schools and libraries closed, we knew we needed more at-home learning materials for our preschool daughter. I'm so glad we found Flintoclass at Home. Every month, we get a box full of engaging, age-appropriate preschool learning materials delivered to our door. Nora loves to open the box and see what's inside. The curriculum combines Waldorf with Playway methodologies, so we know that what she's learning is based on proven teaching techniques and theories. Every Flintoclass box comes with daily lesson plans, workbooks, and activities. The hands-on activities are made from a variety of different textures and materials. These activities are age-appropriate and offer so much more than a Zoom class ever could. For me and for our family, I like that it's zero stress. There's no planning and no preparation required. Every activity is ready to go straight out of the box. And if I have a question, I can go online and access easy video tutorials that show me just what to do, produced by real teachers just like me. We spend about an hour a day working on Flintoclass materials with our daughter. Nora always looks forward to it as it's fun, new, and engaging. I can see how Flintoclass is helping her learn, and I can even chart her progress using the program's online dashboard. Flintoclass is a great way for our family to learn and grow, even during these challenging times.